Let's just get ready for another steady performance right here on stage. I believe you can clap for yourself for just making time out just to witness this beautiful event, this lovely event. Clap for yourself. It's beautiful. Clap for yourself. Make some noise for yourself. Make some noise for yourself. Make some noise. Some noise. Going to happen right here at the Chale Wote Festival. Lovely evening. You've shown to the world what Africa is being made of. You've shown to the world that we are well defined, well united through arts and culture. Stream live for me. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Do that for me. Do that for me. Beautiful. Beautiful. Closing rituals from the indigenes of the Ajara municipality. Do not go anywhere. Do not go anywhere. This is just the tip of the iceberg. The night is still young. Do not go anywhere.